Thank you for joining us this morning here at JCB Heavy Products. Our excavator customers, they demand strength, durability, reliability, comfort and ease of use, as well as productivity, efficiency and of course serviceability. And our X Series range of excavators delivers on those demands. And our first X Series models were the 210X and the 220X in the 20-ton weight segment. And we followed those with machines in the 13 to 16-ton weight segment, with the loads of the 131X, the 140X and the 150X. We then delivered the reduced tail swing models, the 24-ton 245XR and the 14-ton 145XR. Well, this wasn't enough. We wanted a larger machine, and so did our customers. So 2 years ago, we did just that, with the launch of the fantastic 370X, our largest X Series excavator to date, and targeting the 35 to 40 ton weight segment. But we haven't stopped there. Ladies and gentlemen, having cameras ready, I'm delighted to unveil to you today not one but two brand new larger excavators joining our X Series range. Here they are, the 42-ton 420X and the 52-ton JCB 520X. How about that? The result of thousands of hours of testing in all applications, climates and conditions. The engineers have done a truly amazing job. Two fantastic looking new excavators, which I'm sure you'll agree blew like they mean business. I'm going to hand over now to Tom Whittaker, General Manager here at Heavy Products, to tell us more about both new models.
Well, I think wow were the only words, Billy. I think it's worth reiterating. The 520X is the largest machine that JCB has ever built. It's a first from JCB, and I'm incredibly proud of what the whole team have achieved. The 520X is designed to meet the extreme demands of the global 50-ton market. And it also becomes the first X Series machine to be offered globally across all markets. Weighing in at up to 55.3 tons, with a 400 horsepower engine powering bucket capacities up to 3.4 cubic meters, the 520X is without question a true flagship machine. This machine really delivers on the expect more promise in a very powerful way. Starting then at the business ends, the 520X combines new high-capacity HD buckets and XHD buckets with a choice of max excavation dig ends or a 6.9 meter reach spec where extra flexibility is required. We've also paired this with an all-new breaker offering from JCB Attachments. The HM450T becomes the largest brake in our range of 4.5 tons and is designed and developed to work in perfect harmony with 520X in the most demanding applications. Of course, strength and durability are X Series attributes that are absolutely critical in this size class. As Richard mentioned, the 520X has undergone an intensive 4-year testing program to ensure we develop the most robust undercarriage and dig end structures that we've ever built. So that undercarriage, we're bringing outstanding tractive effort, 378 kilonewtons in fact. New twin-supported top bowlers for extreme strength, and the same new side profile design that we see on the 420X to reduce the build-up of the rig. The 520X is then available in either a fixed or variable gauge undercarriage, giving the ability to meet a sub-3 meter transport width as of live. The 520X also takes the Howell from Cummins, this time the X12 engine, providing power in a refined and durable, easy to maintain package. 400 horsepower is then channeled through the latest generation hydraulics, tuned for maximum efficiency and featuring regenerative hydraulics and a hydraulically driven cooling system with reverse fan as standard. 500-hour engine service intervals and easy to access service points help maximize uptime and reduce cost, all supported further by LiveLink telematics as standard. A new dual slew motor system with a reinforced slew link delivers strong cycle times and outstanding productivity. Our standard working pressure is 343 bar, and that can be boosted for 9 seconds at the push of a button, delivering a whole 318 kilonewtons of bucket air output. The 520X also offers a dual lane pump setup. 2 times 4 4 litres per minute of flow are available, and that beats the competition in this class. The 520X is JCB's new X-Series flagship. It's built to deliver more output and more uptime in the most demanding applications. Put simply, it's built to dig hard, load hard, and keep material moving at the top end of the sector. And just like every X-Series machine in the range, we've chosen to fit the CommandPlus cap, giving full customization of operator profiles, joystick controls, and attachment settles, all accessed via the new 10-inch display. Add to that the comfort, the spacious, quiet, premium cap with strong safety credentials such as ROT certification, 2-go hydraulic isolation, and a high-definition 360-degree camera. The CommandPlus cap ensures that our operators use that more dimension too. So, when we look at both of these machines together, the story is actually very simple. The 420X gives customers a highly productive, highly stable, highly efficient excavator right in the heart of the heavy excavator segment. And the 520X takes all of that to the next level as the biggest, most robust, and durable excavator that JCB has ever built. Together, they prove to customers what we say at JCB when they say they should expect more. More productivity, more durability, more efficiency, more control, and more comfort. But most importantly, more of what customers in this segment actually care about. More tons moved per hour, more hours worked in the day, and more value delivered over the life of the machine. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the all-new 420X and 520X. 2 machines designed and built to give customers even more from JCB. Thank you.